This kind of landscape is interesting. Here I think they have cut the trees, and in many places we saw that they have cut the trees, but at some height, not on the ground level. I don't know why. In the national park where we were hiking, it was written that they are both dead trees and live trees, and they also gave us information that there are a lot of insects, ants basically, and they are living on the trees, so they eat trees, and due to these ants, when they eat a lot, then some trees are falling down or some trees are dying. So they are both dead trees and live trees. So it was a jungle of both dead and live trees, and there were a lot of ants everywhere. So I think if some animal dies there, ants will swallow them within minutes.